What is up, YouTube? This is Quaz back with another video. This is gonna be my first YouTube video on the car. It's a little rough, but we're gonna be changing this engine. We're gonna be swapping. This engine is blown up. It's through a rod, something, I don't know. But we're gonna be taking the engine out of that car and putting it in this. So right now I'm getting this engine ready to be pulled out. I've done this once before. I didn't record it, but basically we're gonna be taking it out of the top. Most people take it out the bottom, but to me that don't make sense because you have to drop the whole subframe. It's extra, you know, I feel like it's extra work. But basically you just have to take all this out, take out all the subframe parts, drop the trans, and then pull the engine. Basically all I got took off so far is these below the bumper, and this isn't really going to be much of a tutorial. It's just going to be me working on the car. I got to get used to holding the camera out here, but here we go. Let's see how this goes. So we have got our bolts. I'm trying to stay as organized as possible. So these are our bolts to our, I'm just gonna call it lower bumper, right? Lower bumper. Close enough. But basically right now we have to drain all the fluids out of the car. It's not, it's a 12, I lied. Okay, get it away. Might just sand all this stuff down and spray paint it off. That's all. That's it. Go paint a second. Yeah, but this is, I'm supposed to record it. I forgot I'd get that top out. These balls are nasty. Oh. Oil drain cover. Oil drain cover. Like I said, I don't got much battery left, so I don't know how much that I will record, but I'd like to be able to get at least knock all the fluids out. Is it a 14? No, it's a 16. Right. Now where to put the ratchet at? And usually I don't do that. Well, hey, that'll work. And like I said, was that a piece of metal I just heard? I swear I just heard a piece of metal. It could be. It sounded like a connecting rod was out in this thing. Alright, we are back. So far we got the oil drained, and now we need to go ahead and drain the radiator fluid. Let me pull this out a little bit more so we don't get that all dirty. Now you should, if I remember right, just unscrew this little doodad right here. Hopefully it does not. Gotta love the taste of antifreeze. That was gross. Hopefully it doesn't overfill that bad boy. Go ahead and put that baby back. Put this back. We need to we need to drain the transmission fluid. But we plugged that hole back up for the radiator. We need to go way down there and drain the transmission fluid, which I have no clue what size wrench I'm gonna have to. I know it's a big one here, but the bolt's right here. Hopefully this don't make a mess. Of course it made a mess. What about my luck? I'm gonna cut this here because you can't see anything anyway. Alright everybody, this is probably gonna be it for this episode because it's getting dark, as you can see. And let's just walk out here in the sun so you can see me. But basically we're just trying to get the car ready to be swapped, and step one is making sure you got all the fluids drained. So that's what we accomplished today. I got the it's draining right now, the transmission, and I'm gonna put the drain bolt back in it after it gets done, and then probably call it a night, put my tools up because I gotta get in and clean up, and then go to work tomorrow. So but basically we're gonna say the plan is to take the engine out of the other NC over there under the tarp and swap it. It is automatic, so we're gonna have to probably take I believe we have to take the intake and swap it because it has some kind of butterflies in them. I don't really know what that is. Some kind of valve, butterfly valve. We have to swap the flywheel to accept the clutch, and then a clutch kit. And then I already have a cold air intake on this car, so we'll swap that over. My plan is to get a header for it, which is like $1,000, the header I want. And then get a tune for it, which I'll probably get the Versa tuner. Everybody says that's pretty good. It needs new wheels and coilovers. And then I also need to, as you can see, the bumper needs to be painted. It needs a side skirt painted on the other side, and it needs a new front lip. It's got some body damage on the side. Here's the NC I bought for the first motor. This one had front end damage. My camera's about to die, so I'm about to end it off. This one had front end damage. I just took the motor out and threw it in that. I blew it up again. So now we have to take this NC over here, and this one is 6-speed automatic, 2.0 stock. We're just using the motor. I got a good deal on it. I'll probably part these cars out after I get the new motor in, and I'm probably gonna take it easy and I'll stop blowing my car up. But here's the body damage. It needs a door, side skirt painted, and that panel. We can take it off that car. So that is the plan. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe. See you later.